When a blackjack dealer calls you his lucky charm. When you have to be funny because being hot is not an option. When you get tagged in freeze tag as you're running to the bathroom. I can't breathe. When your grandpa with dementia calls you a sexy young lady. When you eat an apple a day, but you still